Cut the strip to length, leaving an overhang of at least 5 cm. H-Control Hybrid must be installed with the embossed gold colour film facing the inside or warm side of the building. Pull insulation taut and staple it to the rafters every 100 mm. Also staple the 2 returns to the rafters. Staple every 50 mm around the perimeter of the insulation. Cut the strip to the edge of the rafter batten. The overlapping insulation has to be 50 to 100 mm astride the intermediate support of the rafter. Pull the insulation taut and staple the overlap every 50 mm to make it airtight. Make sure the installation is airtight by applying isodhesive reflective tape. Make sure the installation is airtight by fixing the product to the purlin with a timber batten. Cut off any insulation extending beyond the batten. Counter batten finishing support. It is important to ensure an air gap of at least 20 mm is provided for the insulation to perform correctly. After H-Control Hybrid installation, cut the product around the window with an ACTIS cutter. Fold the product and staple to the structure with a batten. Then, to ensure airtightness, fix a counter batten.